Problem number 1 says to find the proportion of observations from the standard normal distribution when z is less than 1.34. For this problem, the only thing we have to do is we have to go to our z table. Since it tells us it's a standard normal distribution, we can use our standard normal probability table. And if we go to 1.34, so down the left-hand side of our standard normal probability table, we go to 1.3, and then we have to go across to the column that is 0.04. 1.34 has a probability of 0.9099. So we'll say that the proportion when z is less than 1.34 is 0.9099. Problem number 2 says GPAs of freshman biology majors at a certain university have approximately a normal distribution with a mean of 2.87 and a standard deviation of 0.34. Students are thrown out of school if their GPA falls below a 2.0. What proportion of freshman biology majors are thrown out? This is an extension of that first problem. Since we know it's normally distributed, the first thing to do would be to draw our normal distribution and shade the part we are looking for. In our normal distribution, we always put our mean at the middle. So here our mean was 2.87. And then we want to find what proportion of freshmen are below 2.00. 2.00 is smaller than 2.87. Think of the bottom here as a number line. It's to the left. So I'm going to put 2.00 over here. And then since it said if their GPA falls below 2.00, we need everything that is to the left of 2.00. So I'm going to shade that area. Now, the only way to find our proportion for a normal distribution is to use our standard normal distribution table. But here, we have values that are not a part of our standard normal probability table. Therefore, we need to convert this to a z-score. Remember, our z-score formula is x minus our population mean divided by our population standard deviation. In this problem, our x is the value we want to find below, so 2.00, minus our mean of 2.87, divided by our standard deviation of 0.34. So we take our calculator then, and 2.00 minus 2.87 divided by 0.34, we get negative 2.558. We always round z values to 2 decimal places. Since the 5 has an 8 after it, I'm going to round this to negative 2.56. Then we have the ability to now go to our probability table. The probability that a student's school GPA is less than 2.00 is going to be equal to, let's see, we have to go to negative 2.5 and then across to 6, which is this value here, 0.0052. So the probability that they will be thrown out is 0.0052.